So this is the new Chevy. Ain't too much wrong with it. It's for sale. Somebody wants it. You want it? Come get it. You just need a new door. The inside cool though. It ain't for sale though. About to do this motherfucking dirty. Got 305 in there. Probably gonna rebuild it. So I bought this 88 Chevy Caprice Classic original. 305 in here. I bought it from some old guy and his lady. None of the spark plugs was tightened, so I tightened them all up, put the spark plugs back in. Had to take this off right here to get the last one back there in there. The battery is at 90% charged, but the lady said it was bad. So I'm trying to figure out why it's not starting. I'm hearing a clicking sound over here somewhere in the front. I don't know where it's coming from. I haven't worked on one of these type of engines in a while. Need a new door. But here's the inside. And no, I'm not LS swapping it. I'm keeping the original motor in here. But I picked the clicking sound in the video and let you guys hear it. This is Isaac's YouTube. Please like and subscribe to the video. And I don't know what this sound is. Somebody can help me. It's not starting.